So today I'm going to make homemade chalk paint because it's supposed to be just as good as regular chalk paint, only way cheaper. So I bought just the Easy Flow interior latex paint white from Canadian Tire. I think it was $20 for this big 3.78 liter. And then plaster of Paris, which is I think 5 something at Canadian Tire for this big, what is it, 2 kilograms of plaster of Paris, and it goes a long way. So in order to make the paint, we need 1 cup of paint, a 1/3 cup of plaster of Paris, and a 1/3 cup of water. So first I'm going to mix a 1/3 cup of the plaster of Paris with the warm water and stir it really good. And then once it's stirred, we pour it into 1 cup of paint, and that should be enough to do a 6-drawer small dresser. So I'm going to mix it up and show you what it looks like. This is what the plaster of Paris looks like when I open the container. So I'm going to measure it a 1/3 cup and then a 1/3 cup of water. So there's the plaster of Paris in the water bottle. That's where I'm mixing it because I don't want to use any of my kitchen dishes. And then a 1/4 cup of water I'm going to pour in. And then you need to mix it really, really good, and then add in the 1 cup of paint. Alright, so what I did is I mixed first the plaster of Paris and the water in this water bottle. I put the lid on it and shook it because you need to make sure that it is mixed really well. So I found with a water bottle that's like an awesome way to get it mixed. So put the lid on and just shake the heck out of it, and then I used a measuring cup and seen where 1 cup would be on this water bottle and filled it with 1 cup of paint, and then I poured the paint into the mixture of plaster of Paris and water, and then I used this water bottle to shake it, and this is the final product right here. So it looks just like normal white thick chalk paint, and I'm going to apply it to a piece that I've already started. So I'll show you the piece that I've started, which is this table right here, and you can see in better lighting that the top of it needs to be touched up. So I'm going to apply the chalk paint and I'll show you what it looks like after. So I just put a coat of the chalk paint on this table and it's awesome. It is, it feels like chalk paint. I've used chalk paint before, so I know what it's like. It cleans up easy. I had to wipe up the counter obviously after I made a giant mess, but it's not thick or chunky. If you can see up close, it's wet here, so it's really smooth, and it painted on really smoothly, and I think it's gonna turn out really good. So anyway, thank you for watching.